Welcome to my channel. How to fix Virgin Media flashing green light no internet. Step 1. Check the hub lights. A flashing green light usually means your Virgin Media hub is trying to connect to the network. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes to see if the light becomes solid. Step 2. Restart the Virgin Media hub. Turn off the hub using the power button or unplug it. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow up to 10 minutes for it to fully restart. Step 3. Check the coaxial cable. Make sure the white coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the wall socket and the back of the hub. A loose cable can stop the internet connection. Step 4. Test with an Ethernet cable. Connect your laptop or desktop directly to the hub using an Ethernet cable. If the internet works this way, the problem may be with your Wi-Fi rather than the broadband connection. Step 5. Check for a service outage. Sometimes the issue is caused by maintenance or an outage in your area. If your neighbors using Virgin Media also have no internet, the problem is likely on the provider's side. Step 6. Inspect for cable damage. Look for bent, damaged, or pinched cables. Replacing a damaged cable can often restore your connection. Step 7. Remove overheating issues. Ensure your hub is placed in a well-ventilated area. Avoid covering it or placing it inside a closed cabinet, as overheating can affect performance. Step 8. Factory reset the hub. If the green light keeps flashing, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a paperclip. Wait for the hub to restart completely. Remember that this will erase your custom Wi-Fi settings. Step 9. Try another device. Connect a different phone, tablet, or computer to your Wi-Fi. If only one device has no internet, restart that device or forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.